There is this email I received from Home Office. As a matter of fact, this is a direct email, but I'm not too sure if I'm the only person that received this email. And I got this few days ago. I felt the need for me to share with you. Come with me to my screen. You may therefore find it helpful to create a share code in advance of travel and carry it with you. Narrate your share code and take it alongside while you are traveling. I want to believe that many people must have gotten this message. Please, if you did get this message, let me know on the comment section. Okay, so it says, dear sir or madam, we are contacting you because the UK border and immigration system is becoming digital. You may have seen that we are replacing physical documents with an online record of your immigration status. This is known as an eVisa and is accessed via the UK Visa and Immigration UKVI account. You are receiving this email as you already have a UKVI account, or you have started but not yet completed the creation of your UKVI account. If you are a legal representative or advisor, okay, we would be grateful if you could communicate this information to your clients where possible. If you have not yet completed the creation of your UKVI account, you should complete the creation of your UKVI account and link it to your eVisa as soon as possible before your biometric resident permit, which is BRP, expires. Information and guidelines on creating a UKVI account to access your eVisa is available at this. There is a link there. I've already done video on how you can actually do this. That's the video showing up there. Okay, if you have children or dependents who you need to create a UKVI account for, start the account creation process as soon as possible before their BRP expires. Information on UKVI account for children is available at so and so sites. Guys, I've also done a video about this. That's the video showing up there on how you can apply for eVisa for your kids. Okay, then it went further. It says, if you already have a UKVI account, you do not need to create another UKVI account to get access to your eVisa. For more information about eVisa and how this change will affect you, go to the UK government website /eVisa, okay? If you hold a biometric resident permit or a biometric resident card, that's BRP and BRC, then you should keep this somewhere safe even after it has expired. Accessing your UKVI account and eVisa. If you have not yet already viewed your eVisa, you can do so. There is a link. You will need details of the identity documents you use to sign into your UKVI account, your passport, national ID card, or biometric resident permit or biometric resident card, your date of birth, access to a mobile phone or email address you use to sign in to your UKVI account. You will be sent a code for signing in. Traveling with your eVisa. Your eVisa will be used to confirm your right to travel to the UK if you travel internationally. The issue is not leaving the UK, it's coming back into the United Kingdom, okay? It says it is essential that you check your current passport or travel document is linked to your eVisa before you travel internationally. This is to ensure you do not encounter unnecessary delays. You can check the travel document linked to your eVisa and update it if required at so and so UK government website. Link is there. You need to update your passport or travel document information every time it changes to avoid travel delays. Flight carriers should be able to check your eVisa automatically. You may still be asked to show evidence of your immigration status as we transit to eVisa. Guys, you see why I said it's good for you to have copies of all the necessary documents with you. You may therefore find it helpful to create a share code in advance of travel and carry it with you. Narrate your share code and take it alongside while you are traveling. You can then print, write down, or otherwise store the share code to be able to provide it when needed. A share code is valid for 90 days, so can be created in advance of travel. To support travel and provide further reassurance during the transition to eVisa, carriers may accept a BRP or EUSS BRC which expires on or after 31st December 2024 as evidence to travel to the UK. provisionally until the end of March 2025, where you continue to have valid immigration status. You should carry your expired BRP or expired EUSS BRC with you when you travel. An EUSS BRC is a BRC that which issued following a successful application of the EU settlement scheme. If you no longer have a BRP or EUSS BRC, or were not issued with one, your permission to travel will be checked through other means. Keep your UKVI account up to date. It is important to keep your UKVI account personal details up to date at so and so. So there is another link for that, okay? All these links are on UKVI government website. That's gov.uk. It is important to keep your UKVI account personal details up to date at the link there, that's on the website, so you can travel with your current passport or identity document, avoid unnecessary delays when traveling internationally. View and prove your rights to others, for example, employers and landlords. Be contacted by UKVI, for example, if you are waiting for a decision or to have document returned. So these are the reasons why they feel it's necessary for you to update your UKVI account and ensure that the informations there, your personal details there, are up to date. If you are updating your name, date of birth, or nationality, you will also need an identity document providing your new details. You can update personal details, including identity documents such as passports or national identity card. Guys, I've done a video on how you can link your passport. Guys, I think I'm going to do another video on that too. There are some things I need to add, but then that's not the purpose of this video, okay? Identity documents such as passport or national identity card, phone numbers, email address, name, home address, postal address. Get a share code. Using your eVisa, you can generate a share code to confirm immigration status. Information on how you can do that is available on the UK government website below, okay? With a share code, you will be able to prove your right to work, right to rent in England, prove your identity or immigration status for anything else. Cover your UK visa and immigration account. That's your UKVI account. If you have an existing UKVI account and need to regain access, use the online account recovery services. We already know this. Then if you are a British citizen, ignore this email. So what they are saying is that this message that is sent to me is just because I am a migrant to the United Kingdom. I require visa to continue staying in the UK. So guys, this information is for people that do require visa to continue staying in the United Kingdom. Also for ETA, that's electronic travel authorization. I've done a video on this. That's the video playing there. Those of you that are wondering what this means, that's the video there. You can actually go down this channel or click on that link up there for you to know what ETA is all about. If you are also ETA holder, electronic travel authorization holder, ignore this email. Guys, I could actually go on. It's much, guys, but I think this one is important. It says, if you think the details within your eVisa are incorrect, go to, there is a link there. So those of you that have been experiencing issues, there is an error somewhere. I think this one is for you. I'll as well leave the link on the description box of this video, okay? They dropped a link there for you to click on. To get help with your UKVI account or guidance about how to access your eVisa, go to so and so. So guys, that is it. Please do well to like this video, share this video, and of course stay tuned, stay updated on this channel. Thank you for watching. I remain blessing, a Mozozo of Blessed Blessing channels.